Good morning children, Sharmishnati. Let's solve first problem from exercise 11.4. A garden is 90 meter long and 75 meter broad. A path 5 meter wide is to be built outside and around it. Find the area of the path. Also find the area of the garden in hectare. Solution. Let ABCD be the garden and let PQRS be the extended boundaries of the path. ABCD, if we consider it as a garden, PQRS it will be extended boundaries. Okay. Given length of a garden L is equal to 90 meter. Length they give 90 meter. Breadth of a garden B is equal to 75 meter. This breadth they give 75 meter. Okay. Then length PQ is equal to find this PQ length children, we should add this 5 meter and 5 meter. Okay. Then 90 plus 5 plus 5 is equal to 100 meter. In the same way, breadth QR is equal to, breadth to find, this is 75 meter plus 5 meter, here 5 meter we have to add. 75 plus 5 is equal to 85 meter. Area of the path is equal to area of PQRS minus area of ABCD. Length into breadth, area of rectangle is length into breadth children, then 100 into 85 minus area of ABCD is here also area of rectangle, that is length into breadth, that is 90 into 75. 100 into 85 is 8500 minus 90 into 75 is 6750. If we subtract these two, we will get 1750 square meter. Then area of garden. Area of the garden is equal to area of ABCD. That is area of rectangle, which is equal to length into breadth children, that is 90 into 75, which is equal to 6750 square meter. This is the area of the garden children. They said us to write in hectare. Okay. 6750 divided by 10,000 hectare. We are converting that square meters to hectare. Okay. Then we have to divide with the 10,000. Which is equal to 0.675 hectare. Okay. Let's move to the next question. A 3 meter wide path runs outside and around a rectangular path of length 125 meter and breadth 65 meter. Find the area of the path. Let ABCD be the rectangular path. This ABCD be the rectangular path and PQRS be the external boundaries of the path. Length of rectangular path is equal to 125 meter they give. Breadth of rectangular path is equal to 65 meter they given. Then PQ is equal to, PQ length we will get by adding 3 meter plus 3 meter including 125 meter. Okay. PQ is equal to 125 plus 3 plus 3 which is equal to 131 meter. QR is equal to, this QR distance, QR length if you want, we should add 65 meter plus 3 meter plus 3 meter. Okay. 65 plus 3 plus 3 is equal to 71 meter. Now, area of the path is equal to, only area of the path if we want, we have to subtract area of PQRS and area of ABCD. That is, area of PQRS minus area of ABCD. Length into breadth children, area of rectangle formula, then here it is 131 into 71 minus, here also length into breadth, that is 125 into 65. 131 into 71 is equal to 9301 minus 125 into 65 gives 8125. Subtract these two numbers, we will get 1176 square meter. Next question children. A picture is painted on a cardboard 8 cm long and 5 cm wide such that there is a margin of 1.5 cm along each of its sides. Find the total area of the margin. Here we have to find total area of the margin children. We have AB is equal to 8 cm, BC is equal to 5 cm. AB length they give 8 cm and breadth they give 5 cm. And PQ is equal to 8 minus of 1.5 plus 1.5. Means we have, it is a drawing children, we have to draw anything children, we have to leave first margin. Okay, in the cardboard they left 1.5 cm. Okay, along all the sides. Then we have to remove here to find PQ. PQ means here 1.5 and here 1.5 we have to remove from AD. Okay. PQ is equal to 8 minus of 1.5 plus 1.5, which is equal to 8 minus 3, which is equal to 5 centimeter. I have written here. Then PS is equal to 5 minus of 1.5 plus 1.5, which is equal to 5 minus 3, which is equal to 2 centimeter. Instead of here, PS if you want, in this AD we have to subtract this 1.5 and 1.5. Okay. Therefore, area of margin is equal to area of ABCD minus area of PQRS, which is equal to area of ABCD means length into breadth. Here length is AB and breadth is BC children, minus area of PQRS, in that length and breadth PQ and QR. Okay, which is equal to 8 into 5 minus 5 into 2. 8 5s are 40 minus 5 2s are 10. 40 minus 10 gives 30. Therefore, area of the margin is equal to 30 square centimeter. Next question. A veranda of width 2.25 meter is constructed all along outside a room which is 5.5 meter long and 4 meter wide. Find the area of the veranda. Second, the cost of cementing the floor of veranda at the rate of rupees 200 per square meter. Solution. Given length of the room AB is equal to 5.5 meter. Length of the room is 5.5 meter. Breadth of the room AB is equal to 4 meter they gave. AD is equal to BC, then it is 4 meter they gave. PQ is equal to 5.5 plus 2.25 and here 2.25, which is equal to 5.5 plus 4.50. Okay, only single decimal place I have written, which is equal to 10 meter we will get. In the same way, QR is equal to 4 meter plus 2.25 meter. Here also 2.25 meter. QR is equal to 4 plus 2.25 plus 2.25. These two addition we will get 4.5. This 4 as it is, which is equal to 8.5 meter. Okay. Area of veranda is equal to area of PQRS minus area of ABCD. If we subtract these two, we will get the area of the veranda. That is 10 into 8.5 minus 5.5 into 4. Length breadth, here also length into breadth. Okay. Area of rectangle is equal to length into breadth. 10 into 8.5 gives 85 minus 5.5 into 4 gives 22. 85 minus 22 is equal to 63 square meter. Next, cost of cementing the floor of the veranda at the rate of rupees 200 per square meter, which is equal to rupees. Already you got area of the veranda 63 children. Then 63 into 200, which is equal to rupees 12,600. Next question children. A path 1 meter wide is built along the border inside a square garden of side 30 meter. Find the area of the path. Second one, the cost of planting grass in the remaining portion of the garden at the rate of rupees 40 per square meter. Solution. Let ABCD be a square garden and PQRS be the internal boundary of the path. ABCD we will consider it as a square garden children and these are its internal boundaries. Given length of square garden AB is equal to 30 meter. Length of square garden they gave 30 meter. PQ is equal to 30 minus of 1 plus 1. Because here boundary, opposite boundaries will be same children. Okay. Here it is 30 means PQ means this 1 meter and this 1 meter we have to remove from that. Okay. PQ is equal to 30 minus of 1 plus 1. That is 30 minus 2 which is equal to 28 meter. Okay. PQ length is 28 meter. Area of the path is equal to, if we want to find area of the path, area of square ABCD minus area of square PQRS we have to do. Area of square formula side into side. Here area of square ABCD is equal to 30 into 30 minus, here area of square PQRS is 28 into 28 because PQ length is 28 meter. 30 into 30 gives 900 minus 28 into 28 gives 784, which is equal to 116 square meter. Area of remaining portion of the garden is equal to area of square is equal to side into side. Means each side of a square is 28, then 28 into 28 is equal to 784 square meter. Therefore, cost of planting the grass in PQRS at the rate of rupees 40 per square meter is equal to rupees 40 into area of that square garden is then shown that 784 square meter. 40 into 784 gives rupees 31,360.